To illustrate the points made in the previous video, let's work through an example of just such a simple neuron or perceptron. In this case, it's a sigmoid function unit with three inputs, 0.1, 0.5 and 0.6, and three weights, minus 1.2, plus 0.5 and plus 2.6. So the sum or activity of a neuron is the addition of the three weighted inputs. That is 0.1 input times its weight minus 1.2 plus the 0.5 input times its weight, which is also 0.5, plus the 0.6 input times its weight, which is 2.6. If you do this addition, these add up to 1.69. Now we apply the sum to the sigmoid activation or squashing function. You might remember that the output of a neuron is equal to 1 over 1 plus the exponential of the minus value of the sum, which is 1 over 1 plus the exponential of minus 1.69. If you work this through in your calculator, you'll find that it's 0.844. So the output of this neuron is 0.844. Putting inputs into a neuron or network like this and calculating the corresponding output is called the forward pass. And this output may be the output of the network or may be passed on to a further neuron if the network has several layers.